We're gonna do a thing today. I'm not vlogging this week because I'm doing the same stuff. When I started vlogging, I thought this thing would be over in a month max, and we're pushing 2 months eventually. So today we are desperate need of cutting Gentry's hair. The last time Gentry got her hair cut was right before school started, and when it gets longer, the dead ends make it really tangly. So first things first, let's do a before First thing is first, let's do a before shot of Gentry's hair. Gentry's hair is naturally wavy. It's usually wavy because we put it in a
braid
at night, but it is naturally wavy. Don't move. It is naturally wavy even if we don't put it in a braid. You can see where the wave, I've straightened it, but the wave's still already coming back. So we straightened our hair. We're following a tutorial from who, Gentry?
I forgot.
Jenna Marbles.
Oh yeah.
We're following a tutorial from Jenna Marbles via somebody else. We'll link both of those people in the description below, but here we go. Okay, first things first, dip all the way forward. Head down. Head down. We're gonna move all this hair. We are going to do just a trim of the dead ends and probably add a few layers to the front of our hair just by the nature of the way this haircut works. The first thing we're going to do is brush everything forward.
Of my hair.
It's touching the ground, Gentry.
No, it's not. Really. I'm going to put my down there. My head down there.
Yep. According to the tutorial, the more forward you go, the layers will be in the front, which is what we want.
And if you want less layers in the front and more layers in the back, you put it in the back.
Don't follow us for a tutorial because I don't know how. This is more of a science experiment. This is super quick here. Didn't get it from me.
Daddy.
First, really good.
Put in the... Yes, but it's not really up. The second thing...
Don't mess with it. The second one we're going to do like this.
Just do this. It's my hair is way easier to brush. And when it's straight, it feels good.
That's what we're going to take off. Just the ends, and we'll reevaluate. The girl in the original video does a blunt cut right across the top. We're going to do point cut underneath because I'm scared. I think you can't grow this hair.
You can.
Should I do it?
Maybe.
Should I do this like...
No,
Or
point
this?
cut. Point cut. Didn't even go in there. Look at all the hair. Well, we can make a hair doll with this hair.
Oh my gosh, I know hairdresser friends are probably like, what the heck is this?
Oh, it looks better.
We're gonna still, hold on.
I'm gonna see if anybody at FaceTime can
hold on.
Gonna cut the hair now. I know where you should cut. So just like do this.
You want me to cut that one?
Maybe not.
Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna clean it up. Just clean it. You can turn off these. Just totally out of whack.
Mom, big hairs.
Really just snips. Gentry has cut her own hair several times, so there's a lot of already uneven layers in it. Holy needs Okay, I think we did it. Do you feel good
Yeah.
about it?
Yeah.
We did it. It really wasn't that big a deal. All right, and here's the after. You kind of can't tell, but it's kind of layered up a little. There's a few scragglers. But her hair looks a lot healthier. Oh, I love it. And it may not look like much, but look, that's all the hair on the floor.